mayo babuni tomo zamuna bayaro tini ojora tini bayaro chalaro tini ojora mayo babuni tomo zamuna bayaro babuno kibe mayono teja damra bumu thangka dakobo kibe damra teja damra bumu thangka o bayaro chalaro kini ojora rogo phaidi sungsrung lainai
Johnny Jong, hai bini sini song, maya babu song tang sama no sering na faidi jadu sering lain ni faidi. Oh Johnny Jong, hai bini sini song, maya babu song tang sama no sering na faidi jadu sering lain ni faidi. Jango kasuleng khadi, aku tak borok ini. Jango kasuleng khadi, aku tak borok ini. Maya babu ni tang berano.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today is Indigenous Day and I'm really proud to be an Indigenous. So this vlog is a special vlog as I'm going to be having a special celebration with my family and we are going to cook a lot of indigenous food and also wear our traditional dress attire and click some pictures. So please stay along with me in this vlog and I hope you'll enjoy it. Hello Bayarok, joto no nong no lam sogo ani channel lo khaklayo nong joton tini tong thoto ke tong lainai tan ningge tini chini bagi special day tini hayung ganangai hani basarong sal Indigenous Day gai son of the soils ni sal gai jeng as an indigenous borok besok blessed je jeng ohani besa te jeng no son of the soils Gizin proudly all salna celebrate kaimano te chingbo as a family celebrate kaina nai tongo tini no rok chung by kurungi tongli tamni ke chung tini special chini tiprasa chamong snam nai tei ingkha tei chung chini kanmong no kanai photo ro kisa bujang nai hangkai no rok o vlog no enjoy khaidi. It's a very beautiful day, it's a bright morning, so why don't we go ahead and start the day. We have a lot of banana plants right next to our house, so we are going to be using a lot of these. My dad has cut and brought quite a lot of them, about 5 to 6 leaves from these trees. So here it is, and we're gonna use them for our traditional food. For our preparations, we are doing preparations for World Indigenous Day.
Hayung the sun is out. Han the sun is out. Son of the soil is out. Okay? Hayo, Hapuman boy and Kaitu. One of the
지나볼까요? 다리가
짜다오 가야돼.
안에 있으면 부정하면 돼.
무슨 무사무네. 기사 무사무네. 어전 좀 기사.
그래서 아이 못 산다 그래.
너무 무사다. 싫어도.
뭐 사고 내가 스테이트
아, 경사. 미안 쓰라.
I don't know who the Hamza.
아, 그나 슬라이스 되고.
Jealous feel kayo मैं.
정말 시시해.
그만큼 많이 방도 또
Tam rong mo sada de.
이 정도.
Joni jong rong.
어떻게 어버더라 무사. 기성 너무 좋았어. 기성 사람들이 이번 버리용 같대. 감대 땅 같이 센터 아이고 센터.
semua dari ground logo pa. Stay dun ko
My dad always goes to the market early in the morning around 6 and brings us this fresh vegetables. This is one of my favorite leaves, and here my mom has teared the banana into small pieces to make awang. And this is ginger leaves, which we use in making takai and many other dishes.
Lai macam lai rup macam apa?
Ini awang kita udah punya. Oh, awang bermain di sana aja.
Tahu
Jadi tuh, giliran sini.
Original bukan bagian tu, hai ini apa indigenous itu nak bahas mak dia. Original kamu dia, ini apa kan light ini original.
Tabuk jeng seti gudok, ang seti gudok, huli jong den sana. Tahu jong, pekri jong, huli jong, seti gudok. Tini kai Indigenous Day ni special, awang seti gudok, tokhan, desi tok, te Mungkin raksanos, okay? Sampai mana? Sana sengaja talk ba? Hah? Saya nak. Kita tinta ni special apa?
Ini ke International Indigenous Day. Sini han besar ni sam.
Sáu giờ rưỡi chừng thì đi sao là vô
Han besar ni sam no sin sabai. Ke ang banggai, ang ke pengjak, ke mia bai, setai kudok. Ang ke
Today is a special day and we are having our lunch in this banana leaves as our ancestors also used to do the same. So we are also trying to revive this eco-friendly method or way, lifestyle. So these plates are biodegradable and we don't have to worry as we always think about soil pollution and everything when we use plastic plates. But these plates are really biodegradable and it just absorbs with the soil. So you to go ahead and try it out and just feel the taste. And all the foods taste gets enhanced when we eat here. So I hope you are also going to try it whenever you visit Tripura or anywhere else where they use this banana leaves.
Enjar dah mah. Hah?
Ini masih dia masih ya.
Di mana?
Misalnya ya, dia mau pergi nasi.
Ada bagus kan?
Task apa ya? Perfect. Jadi bahaya matang asik bosan dulu masawi.
Oh, tong poka tini.
Neng akhirnya masak tam rusang rumah masaka.
Oh, zoni zong. Mamita. Tam ropok.
Lebang ro.
Lebang bunga ro.
Oh. Tabuk start. Wait. Channel no subscribe khaina tapok di tai bell icon no talk di tai o video no like comment tai share khai di. Bye.